You have to know when you break down red blood cells, the bilirubin story. So red blood cells only live 120 days. What happens when they die?
Thank you.
Heme, biliverdin, bilirubin. You have to know that bilirubin story. You have to know the difference between the intrinsic and extrinsic clotting pathways. I see extrinsic here, but that means to answer the extrinsic, you're going to have to know the difference between the intrinsic and extrinsic. You got to know the difference between the intrinsic and extrinsic clotting pathways. Here is a question for you. Arrange the following events of coagulation in the proper sequence. I just read it verbatim. Arrange the following events of coagulation in the proper sequence. Okay? You have to know what plasminogen, tissue plasminogen activator, and plasmin do. Plasmin's a clot buster. So plasminogen is converted to plasmin by TPA. Plasmin digests clots. You have to know that vitamin K is necessary for 2, 7, 9, and 10. Factors 2, 7, 9, and 10. You need vitamin K to make factors 2, 7, 9, and 10 functional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 questions about ABO, RH, and hemolytic disease of the newborn. Let me say that again. There are 7 questions about ABO, RH, and hemolytic disease of the newborn. What do you have for me along those lines? Any questions for me about